Welcome to the Tehama mobile app overview. If you have not already, install the Tehama Connect app from your Apple Store or Google Play. Hit Start after you have installed the app, and you will be walked through the setup process to locate or create a username and password. If you don't remember your credentials, you can retrieve them from the CIT desktop application. After entering your login credentials, hit Sign In, or if you don't have a Tehama Cloud account, click on Help to guide you on how to create a new one. Once you are signed in, you will be able to view the same shared site list as you would see in the CIT. If you are a tech and requested grants, you would only be able to see the properties that you were granted. To add a new decap to the site list, click on the ellipsis from the site list menu and then tap the Add button. Now, make sure your decap's power and status lights are green. Enter the name of the site and the access code by typing it in, or tap the barcode icon and then simply take a picture of the decap barcode with your smartphone. Then hit the Add button. Using the search bar, you can quickly access a site from the shared site list. To switch to a hexadecimal view, click on the ellipsis on the site menu list, then click on Settings. Slide the button to the right to enable or left to disable, and then tap Done. If you need to edit a site from the list, click on the ellipsis of that site and tap Edit to make changes or Delete to remove a decap from a site list. To connect to a site, simply tap the Connect button. Once you have connected to a decap, you will be brought to the decap's dashboard. From here, you will be able to see the access code, working condition, property location, and time zone, as well as the number of MDTs and repeaters commissioned that are reporting or missing. You will also be able to edit the decap name and location from here. To access the MDTs, click on the purple plus sign in the MDT health box. Then click on the green checkmark box to open a unique MDT, or type in the search bar to find a node MDT. After you have selected the MDT, you will be brought to the Mdt Dashboard. Here you can identify the MDT ID, apartment number, building number, and node ID, as well as the working condition of the MDT, the link quality and battery voltage, and lastly, the sensor configuration. If you click on the link quality and battery voltage tab, it displays the node stats, link partner, timestamp, link quality, RSSI, hop count, and lastly, battery voltage. To access the latest MDT reads, click on the sensor water droplet icon of the Mdt Dashboard. Here you can see the most recent hourly usage. To see more history, click on Fetch More, and scroll up to see additional readings. If you need to change the MDT locations, click on Edit on the Mdt Dashboard. Here you will be able to change the apartment, building, address, and node ID. After making these changes, be sure to hit the Save button. To swap out an MDT, click on the ellipsis at the Mdt Dashboard, then hit Swap. You can swap out by a new device ID either by entering in the MDT ID or taking a picture of the barcode with your smartphone. To swap an uncommissioned device from your network tree, click on Swap on that specific node and enter the initial meter read if asked. Then hit Next to enter the apartment, building, address, and node ID. Don't forget to tap the Save button. To perform a bucket test, click on the Sensor Water Droplet tab. From here you will see the timestamp on the left and the readings on the right. Tap your MDT's button for a second to send the current reading to the decap. Run your water source for 10 gallons and afterwards tap your MDT's button again to send a new reading back to the decap. Then refresh your screen by sliding your screen down and you will see a new timestamp and your meter reading will have advanced. To change your sensor view configurations, click on the Edit button of your Sensor tab. Here we can change the meter type, meter style, units of measurement, subcount factors, initial reading, initial time, meter serial number, and notes. After making changes, be sure to hit the Save button. Using the Bluetooth programmer, you can configure a display MDT. You will first need to pair the programmer with your smartphone. Do so by powering on the programmer and plugging the data cable into the bottom of the display MDT. From the Site List menu, click on the ellipsis, then tap on Configure Display MDT. Double-check that the programmer is on and plugged in, and verify that the programmer matches what is displayed on your phone. Then tap Tehama BLE to pair the two together. Once the devices are paired, click on the Connect button to connect to the display MDT. After the connection is made, you will be able to make changes to the initial meter reading, units of measurement, type, and count factor. Be sure to save afterwards. If you have any additional questions about the mobile app, please feel free to either call us or send an email to support@tehamawireless.com. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.